The concept behind Ripple reportedly predate Bitcoin by 4 to 5 years. In 2004 to 2005, Ryan Fugger, a Canadian computer programmer, developed Ripple Pay as a way to provide secure payment options to members of an online community via a global network. But it would take another 6 years before the blockchain-based payment system known as XRP and its founding fintech company, now known as Ripple, was started. XRP is one of the world's largest cryptocurrencies. It is common for the cryptocurrency XRP to be confused with the company Ripple, but it is important to point out that these two are not the same. Distinguish between the two, let's look into how Ripple work. There are two main components that comprise Ripple. The first is Ripple. In its entirety, Ripple provides a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange and remittance network. The platform, which is supported by its blockchain payment protocol, uses RippleNet to facilitate instantaneous transactions between financial entities. The second is RippleNet. RippleNet is the distinct network of payment facilitators and global banks that helps streamline communication and allows participants to send and receive payments seamlessly through Ripple's distributed platform. Like the standardized HTTPS, which is used as a common protocol for information transfer across the internet, RippleNet provides a framework and a set of rules called the Ripple Transaction Protocol for all network participants to follow, thereby reducing bottlenecks in transactions. Although it uses the open nature of blockchain to decentralize its bookkeeping and keep transactions transparent, XRP is more centralized than Bitcoin or Ethereum in that no public entity or person outside of Ripple can determine the issuance of new coins. That is largely because XRP is ostensibly more a tool for transferring value across borders via Ripple products than it is a speculative investment vehicle, although to the SEC's mind, it has unquestionably functioned as an investment. What is Ripple? Ripple, also known as Ripple Labs, is a private company that develops products for banks and other financial companies. Their main product is called RippleNet and is a payment network that enables fast transfers between financial institutions across national borders. The current global payment infrastructure can be complex, involve high fees, and have a long transaction time. Ripple envisioned the Internet of Value, where value can be transferred as quickly, reliably, and cheaply as data over the Internet today. Now that we understand what Ripple is, so, what is XRP? XRP is a cryptocurrency belonging to the blockchain-based protocol XRP Ledger, which was launched by Ripple in 2012. XRP was marketed as a faster and cheaper alternative to Bitcoin and is used, among other things, to transfer value through RippleNet. The main purpose of XRP is to be a kind of broker between different currencies, both cryptocurrency and fiat. Ripple believe it should be quick and cheap to switch between currencies. Now that we can distinguish, finally, let's look into XRP Tokenomics. XRP is the native cryptocurrency for products developed by Ripple Labs. Its products are used for payment settlement, asset exchange, and remittance systems that work more like SWIFT, a service for international money and security transfers used by a network of banks and financial intermediaries. XRP is pre-mined and uses a less complicated method of mining as compared to Bitcoin. The total supply for XRP is 100 billion. With a market cap of about 19.2 billion. The crux of the matter is that the SEC believes that XRP is not a currency, but a security, for instance, a share in a company. Ripple, on the other hand, disagrees, insisting that XRP is a cryptocurrency. However, XRP is an interesting cryptocurrency with the ability to facilitate cross-border payments and currency exchange. It's faster than Bitcoin, taking a few seconds per transaction as opposed to an hour. Kindly note that this is not a financial advice, but for educational purpose. Let us know what you think about XRP in the comments section. Quant Network was founded in 2015 by Gilbert Verdian when he discovered how useful distributed ledger technologies, also known as DLT, could be in solving the problems he was personally facing. So what is Quant? Quant, through its overledger network, has created an application programming interface API that facilitates the connectivity of numerous network types while allowing for secure, interoperable application development, opening a path for enterprise systems to integrate Web3 functionality into their operations. To put it in their words, they are connecting all the world's distributed ledgers for faster, more efficient growth. As a result, the Quant protocol is often referred to as an operating system software that connects all blockchains. Now let's discuss further on how this works. The Quant protocol was designed to remove barriers commonly encountered on communication, interoperability, and scaling blockchains. To achieve this, layers are matched to tasks for which they're best suited. Let us take a look at Quant's key features. As an Ethereum-based platform, Quant leverages the security and interoperability of the Ethereum ecosystem. Unlike the Bitcoin blockchain, which focuses on providing people a way to transfer value, Ethereum has a wider range of use cases. The first feature is the overledger network. The function of the Quant overledger network is to secure the transfer of information and data on Quant. It uses another protocol, the overledger DLT, to fulfill this task. When a user is connected to the protocol, data can be exchanged with any two blockchains within the system. The second is overledger DLT gateway. The overledger DLT, also known as distributed ledger technology gateway, is specifically made for large clients. Its main role is to assist the system with interoperability between its distributed ledger system and networks. Data, non-fungible tokens, smart contracts, fungible tokens, and even IDs can be transferred smoothly using the DLT. One defining attribute of Quant's overledger DLT gateway is that a smart contract can be written in any programming language, from Hyperledger Fabric to Ethereum. The third feature is Quant MDApps. MDApps are another unique feature found on the Quant protocol. Decentralized applications, also known as dApps, are blockchain-based, and MDApps allow different apps to work on as many blockchains as possible. With MDApps, developers enjoy the advantage of each blockchain without having to necessarily deal with its restrictions. For instance, a developer can enjoy the consensus from one chain and data from another. The fourth feature is the QNT token. Quant's native token, also known as QNT, has three prominent use cases. The first is the payment currency for using network resources like APIs, data, and connections between various enterprise blockchains and legacy systems. Gateway operators also use this QNT crypto asset to pay yearly licensing fees to make use of and participate in the overledger network. Finally, Quant tokens are paid by Quant's treasury system to gateway operators who function as directors of transactional traffic within the wider overledger network. The dollars. Furthermore, let's look into the advantages of using Quant. 1. Since it's built from scratch, Quant doesn't experience most restrictions that come with distributed ledger technology. It can be installed seamlessly without prior knowledge of cryptography or programming. 2. Quant users can connect to any type of digital ledger system, irrespective of their position. Developers, individuals, and even public workers can use the network without prior programming knowledge. This combination of flexibility and ease gives the platform great appeal. 3. Quant can be bought with fiat and directly exchanged back to fiat. 4. Quant can neither be forked nor lose communication with its multiple ledgers, so the chances of a security breach on the network are extremely low. 5. Unlike most other distributed ledger systems, no data is stored on the gateway on the Quant network. A standards-aligned API is used by the network for an extra layer of security. We can keep going about what the Quant network is trying to achieve, but we have to wrap this up. Using the Quant network, you can connect to blockchains like Ethereum, Ripple, and Bitcoin. And aside from these, Quant is also working on a SaaS product and a Quant app store that will add more resources to the Quant ecosystem. Let us know what you think about Quant in the comments section.